this time I want
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Keisha Ashura Makwa with my SID 33230095. So today, I will be presenting about task administration in a language assessment subject. Okay, let's get started. What is task administration? Task administration refers to the entire process of delivering a language assessment to candidates in a controlled and standardized environment. It is not just about handing out papers, it involves careful planning, security measures, and precise execution. Even the most well-designed tests can produce unreliable and invalid results if the administration process is flawed. The primary goal is to ensure fairness, consistency, and a comfortable environment for all task takers to perform their best. Okay, next. Preparation, materials, and documents. First, printing management. Organize the printing of test booklets and answer sheets well ahead of time. Second, quality control. Thoroughly check that there are no printing errors or faulty productions. Third, reuse protocol. If using old test booklets, ensure no marks were left by previous candidates. And the last one is security. Number all test materials consensually to maintain security before, during, and after the exam. Next, equipment and keys. Scoring accuracy. Ensure there are enough keys for scores and verify they are error-free. Hardware check. Verify that all equipment such as tape recorders and speaker is in good working orders. Next, preparation. Examiners. First, instruction. Provide detailed instruction to all examiners at least 1 key before the test. Second, direction practice. Examiners should practice reading the direction they will deliver to candidates. Third, operational skills. Examiners must familiarize themselves with how to operate all necessary equipment. Fourth, listening proficiency. Examiner reading aloud for listening tests should practice with a model recording. And the last one is oral assessment. Oral examiners must be truly familiar with the test procedures and the specific rating system. Next is management of candidates. First, communication. Every candidate must receive full instruction regarding location, timing, and required items. Second is identification. Each candidate should be assigned a specific examination number. Okay, next is a testing room requirements. First, environment. Choose quiet rooms large enough to comfortably fit the intended number of candidates. Second, integrity. Maintain sufficient space between candidates to prevent copying. Okay, third is sound quality. Rooms used for listening tests must have satisfactory acoustic qualities. And the last one is layout and visibility. Arrange the layout in advance and ensure a clock is visible to all candidates. I forgot to put the picture layout for the room testing. Sorry. Okay, next. Protocol for the day of the test. First, arrival. Candidates are required to arrive well before the intake start time. Second is late entry policy. Late candidates should not be admitted as they disturb the concentration of others. Third is verification. The identity of every candidate must be checked before starting. And the last one is instruction. The examiners must give clear instruction on what candidates are required to do. And next is during and after the exam. First is precise timing. It is essential to time the task precisely, ensure everyone starts and stops exactly on time. Second is room supervision. Candidates should only leave the room once, ideally accompanied by an invigilator. And the last one is final procedures. Candidates must stop work immediately and remain seated until all materials are collected and checked against their numbers. And okay, thank you guys for listening my explanation about test administration in a language assessment subject. Sorry if I have a wrong explanation about that. And next we move to part 2, case study. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Keisha Ashamala. As an examiner, in the second part of my project, I will perform a simulation of 2 different English speaking assessment methods. First one is the verbal essay and the second one is the free interview. My friend is here to act as a student. We will demonstrate how these tasks work and explain our grading process. Now, let's start it. Okay. Now we will begin with the verbal essay. In this method, the student must respond to a specific topic in organized essay-like format. You, Adwa, your topic is the pros and cons of online learning. You have 1 minute to prepare, and you must speak about 2 minutes, and you must start now.
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
Okay.
So to answer your questions, in my opinion, online learning has 2 sides. Okay, on the positive side, it is very flexible because you can study from anywhere because it was reachable. Okay, and however, the downside is the lack of direct social interaction and sometimes technical issues with the internet. You know, because it was the social media, right? And then. In conclusion, while it is efficient, it still requires high self-discipline. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Adwa. That was a well-structured response. In this verbal essay, I am evaluating your depth of understanding, relevance, and accuracy of the content. I also look at how you organize your introduction, body, and conclusion verbally. Okay, thank you, Adwa. Okay guys, next we will move to the free interview. Unlike the first method, this is a conversation-based assessment using open-ended question. Let's begin. So, how are you today, Adwa?
Today I'm doing really great, you know, but there's a lot of assignment, but I'm still doing okay.
I understand. Speaking of being busy, what you do usually do to relax after a long day of study?
For me, I used to listen to music or maybe watching some YouTube videos because it helps me to refresh my mind.
Ah, that sounds nice. If you had the chance to change one thing about our current education system, what would it be and why?
That's actually a tough question, but I think I would add more practical sessions rather than just theories. So students can experience the real world earlier.
Excellent point. Thank you for sharing in this free interview. I'm focusing on your fluency, coherence, and accuracy during a natural interaction. Thank you, Adwa.
You're welcome.